So you just bought a domain and you want an email, but you don't want to pay for that email. I'm going to show you how to set it up for free. All right, your first step to setting up that custom email address is going to be going after you've bought your domain. You need to watch my previous video about that. Once you've done that, go to domains.google.com again, and I want you to make sure you're logged in and then click on email, and you'll see get a custom email address. Now, they want you to pay for G Suite, which G Suite is awesome. Look into it if you want. It's definitely worth the money if you have a need for those certain features. I don't. I just want the email address. So what you do is you go down to email forwarding and you're going to type add email alias. And you are going to type whatever email you would like. So I typed Nick at Nick, right? And then I typed a Gmail account that I already set up. All right, so I had already set up a brand new Gmail account because I wanted everything to go there. So my Google account that I use this with is stemwithmr.duda@gmail.com. But I don't want that to be my email. I wanted my email to be nick@stemwithmrduda.com. Now this is an email as well, but I wanted it with my custom domain. So that's your first step. Fill this out and say existing recipient email. You probably will have to log into your existing email and approve that. And then we'll get on to the next step. Go to myaccount.google.com. Now, the next step that you want to do, you want to click on security, and you are going to create an app password. So you're going to go down and click app password. You are going to log in. For those of you wondering, I use a program called LastPass, which saves all my passwords. It's an awesome add-on. Be sure to add it on your computer and manage all your passwords that way. That way you can choose really good passwords that people can't guess. All right, so now I've logged in again. It wants to make sure I am who I am, and you need to generate a new password, an app password. So you're going to click here and just say other and name it whatever you want. So I'm going to say for YouTube video, but I would name it maybe your email address so you can remember. When you click generate, and I'm going to be deleting this right afterwards. Sorry, my password won't work. You're going to get a password, all right? What I want you to do is copy that. So just highlight it, right click, copy, or press Control-C. Now you're going to go back to your Gmail account. So I'm in Gmail. I'm going to click this little cog, the settings button, and go to settings. Choose accounts and import. And then what I want you to do, mine's already here, but I want you to click add another email address. We're almost there. We're almost done. You're going to type the name of that email address. Okay, so for instance, I want nick@stemwithmrduda.com. And then I click next step. Okay, so that's not going to work for me. So hold on, just because this one won't actually work. Okay, this won't work for me, but I'll show you the process. That happened because I'm already set up. So then you click next step, and then you are just going to type in your login for Gmail, your actual login for Gmail. So for instance, let me fill out that information, just a second. You are going to use your normal login. This is the login that you own your domain with. And then we need to change this to Gmail. Okay, all it's saying is this is where it gets the email. You enter, instead of the password for your account, you're going to paste that app password. And once you click add account, you'll be all set. All right, so the cool thing is then when I go to compose an email, what I can now do is I can choose which email I want to send it from. And I set this as my default email. The way you can do that is you just click right here and say default, because I don't ever want to use the stemwithmr.duda@gmail.com. So hopefully that worked. Hopefully that helped you. If you need help, please comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And that's about it. So have a great day.